Drink a lot of water. Relax and drink a lot of water. If you want, you can even have a cup of tea. Drink water as much as you can so that the heat produced does not cause sleep. If you think the hall is making you feel the heart, it is not true. If the hall's effect is 2 degrees on you, my effect is 20. It's actually Kundalini, which boils from inside. So, that is why I'm asking you to drink a lot of water. If you avoid concentration techniques, you will be free from a lot of guilt. No, really. You trying to do concentration and trying to gain peace or joy or bliss will only put you in a deep, low self inner image. Understand? If at all you want peace and bliss, look for the techniques like completion, techniques like Shaktipad. These things can lead to peace and bliss, not concentration. I have seen people who are trying to concentrate for 50 years and not achieved anything. They can't even 108 times chant the mantra, their Guru mantra, with concentration. Forget about it. So it's all on. Anybody? 2-decade meditators? Then you will understand what I am saying. If 2 decades you are meditating, then you will understand what I am saying is true. I know you will be afraid to raise the hand, but that is the truth. No, I am telling you straight. See, your constitution is not built for concentration, it is built for enlightenment. Kundalini awakening, manifesting powers. Understand? And all the glorification done on concentration, visualization and all is a complete stupidity. Stupidity by the dryland religions. Understand? Why I am using this word dryland religions and wetland religions? Geography plays a very big role in the way you look at the life. If you are in a wetland, everything is too sweet and smooth and things are very easy. Your idea about life will be great, positive. Because too smoothly your life goes on. So the life positive outlook of Hinduism is because of Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. It is wetland that is responsible for positive outlook towards the life of the Vedic tradition. Life is too easy in the wetland. Too easy. Especially the Punjab, Sindhu, the areas where, see, it's like a Ganga brings every year 100 million ton fresh sand which does not need any fertilizer for any crop to grow. Please understand, I am not using the word CROP, I am using the word CRAP. I am not using the word CROP, I am using the word CRAP. Anything will grow. Understand? No, that is a CROP is like a, okay, CRAP I am saying. Anything will grow, so life becomes lot more easy. And your attitude towards the life becomes positive. That is one of the basic need for human being to explore the consciousness. See, if your life is all the time in negative, you are all the time only bothered about, I am put in some place, how to get rid of it. But the original Shastras of the Hindu tradition, Vedas or Agamas, nowhere in the mood of getting out. They are all in the mood of multiple times coming back and manifesting all the best things. Tremendous life positiveness is the foundation of conscious explorations, adventures our masters took it. And their ability to dive into the next spectrum of consciousness, that's the word I should use, like a 2G, 3G, 4G, they made it Shivji. And no, it's like outside 2G, 3G, 3G, like that our guys made Shivji spectrum. No, really. For the spectrum of consciousness, the fertile wetland was one of the main reasons. It is Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati responsible for our Vedic tradition. Geography plays a major role on the way you look at the life. Especially in those days where the shifting your residing place is not an easy thing. For example, if I enter into my hometown, which we are going today, if a postman is on a holiday, I can deliver all the posts of the main, some 12, 15 streets. That's the core of that city. Every house I know everyone. Means, for last 3-4 generations, they have not moved out of that house. You understand? Moving out of the house is not a regular lifestyle in many of the Indian villages. And one person may go out of the home and he will be celebrated when he comes once in a while. In our tradition, that moving out of the house is not that regular lifestyle, like last 20-30 years. Like last 20-30 years, it's just lifestyle. But before that, it was not that. It was not that way. It was neither, especially I'm talking about 3,000-4,000 years, neither it's an easy task nor required. Geography plays a major role in the way you perceive life and the way you put your energy. Everything looks supporting your life when the geography supports you. When the geography is supporting, everything looks supporting, very supportive. Yes. Again, why I am using silence, For example, if I give million unit energy to the sound and ask that energy to be delivered to you, only 1 unit will be delivered to you. But if I hand over million unit energy to the silence and ask it to hand over, the whole million unit will be handed over to you. Only difficulty with silence is you will fall asleep. With the sound you won't fall asleep, but only 1 unit will reach you. With the silence, the whole thing will reach you. That problem is you may fall asleep. But I am very happy that almost no one fell asleep.